Pine trees are a valuable natural resource that has been used from ancient times. In Japan, there are items such as shrines, temples, and other national treasures that can only use rosin obtained locally. However, heavy use depleted existing resources and made it difficult to procure national rosin for over half a century. Harima is actively contributing to the realization of a sustainable society, and restoring the national crude rosin resources is essential in preserving Japan's traditional culture. Harima's business is based on utilizing natural resources obtained from pine trees. We procure crude tall oil from outside Japan and manufacture rosin at our facilities in Japan, New Zealand, Brazil, and Argentina. Harima took the initiative to try and restore Japan's rosin resources. We started a project in the city of Mimasaka, Okayama Prefecture, in 2016. The project targeted red pines grown on the premises of the golf course and country club of one of our subsidiaries. Crude rosin was extracted from red pine trees. Incisions were made in the trees and rosin collected in recipients containing water. Only 2 kilograms of crude rosin can be extracted from one pine tree in the course of a year. Tapping does not harm the trees if performed correctly. However, active forest management is important to promote tree health. Our project ended successfully when we completed the rosin extraction area at Mimasaka. The crude rosin was then distilled at our research and development laboratory at Kakogawa, where Harima was founded. It is our great honor to revive the national resources of rosin. We will continue these initiatives and actively contribute to the preservation of natural and cultural materials.